Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is day 23 of 100 Days to BITSAT 2021 series, and today we are going to see some questions of one word substitution. So we saw one word substitution questions on day 21 and 22 as well. We'll start comprehension when we'll reach day 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. These 5 days will be for comprehension. Yeah, so this is a quiz. If you haven't yet solved it, please solve it and tell your score in the comment box below. When you tell your score, I get to know that you're solving it, and it motivates me to make more and more such quizzes, because it's not like I need some motivation to do it mostly, and my motivation is you guys are attempting it. That's it. So yeah, let's begin. This quiz is a bit of difficult because it has a lot of new words, some words you might not have heard, so I guess you'll get a lot more task in this video. I'll tell you about the task till the end. Let's begin. First, a person who talks in sleep is a somnelloquist. Somnelloquist is a person who talks in sleep. One more thing, this has many difficult words, so write it down in your notebook. Don't forget to write it down. Make a book for English and logical reasoning. I've been telling you for a long time. People who are new, please make a notebook and write down these words. So your task is to find the meaning of philatelist, somnambulist, and onirocritic. These 3 words you have to find out and tell me in the comment box below. Whoever will comment first with all the words, all the tasks I'm giving, I'll pin their comment. Yeah. So a person who talks in sleep is somnelloquist. Next is one who has a compulsive desire to steal. A person who has a desire to steal wherever he goes is kleptomaniac. The right word is kleptomaniac. Pause the video, write it down in your notebook without fail. The next is plagiarist. Plagiarist is a person who copies something, a written content. Like your teacher gives you a task to write essay. You find one on internet and directly copy paste it. So that is plagiarism, and it is kind of illegal because whenever some people get paid for writing essays. If you copy it from someone else's essay, that is not allowed. Poacher is a person who kills animal for the stuff, like kills rhinoceros for the horns, kills deer for the skin. That person is called poacher. Filfer is what you have to find, their task. Yeah, so here you have to find, till now I've given you philatelist, somnambulist, onirocritic, and pilferer. Right? Next is a funny imitation of a poem. That is a parody. You might have heard parody. There are a lot of parodies of Bollywood songs as well. I've heard some on YouTube. So yeah, that is fun. They are really funny. You might have some parodies in your English textbooks as well, like I had when I was studying. So I guess you might be having as well. Here dialogue is, you know what dialogue is. Sonnet is, I think, a poem of 14 lines. That is a sonnet. Caricature is what you have to find meaning of. So here you have to find meaning of caricature, pilferer, onirocritic, somnambulist, philatelist. Yes? This is your task for today. Tell me your score in the comment box below. One more thing, we have our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel as well. So please don't forget to join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. And if you have found the content useful, if you learned anything from it, please like the video. If you are new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel as well. And if you have some of your friends preparing for BITSAT or MET, then you can share these videos with them. Yeah, that is it, I guess. Keep studying, guys. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Alright? So keep studying. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.